In today's digital era, protecting your business data is more critical than ever, especially in vibrant markets like Trinidad and Tobago and the broader Caribbean region. Welcome to Expertz Limited, where we introduce the Arcanum Cloud Backup Solution. Tailor-made for your business needs. Why choose Arcanum? Let's dive in. 1. Value over maintenance. Focus on growing your business while we take care of your data. Save resources and stress less about data security. 2. Budget-friendly and flexible. From hefty upfront costs to a simple monthly plan, managing your IT budget has never been easier. 3. Scalable storage. Don't worry about running out of space. Our cloud solution grows with you, ensuring you have all the storage you need. 4. Expertise without the expense. Premium backup quality without the premium price. Save on labor and enjoy uninterrupted service. 5. Follow backup best practices. With our 3-2-1 strategy, your data is secure and easily recoverable, giving you peace of mind. 6. Fast disaster recovery. In the Caribbean, it's crucial. Our cloud solution ensures your data is safe, secure, and accessible, come what may. 7. Compatibility and integration. Protect data across devices and platforms with ease. Choose the cloud provider that fits your needs while enjoying top-tier backup services. 8. Advanced security protocols. Military-grade encryption and strict access controls ensure your data is safe from threats and accessible only to you. 9. Established cloud platforms utilize robust infrastructures for efficient data storage and retrieval, ensuring top-tier service. 10. Exceptional support. Our team is here for you 24/7, 365 days a year, ensuring your data is always within reach. Contact Expertz today and take the first step towards safeguarding your business's most valuable asset.